In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find saved videos on YouTube on an iPhone and on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up YouTube app on iPhone or Android. After that, make sure you are signed into your YouTube account and then tap right here at the bottom right where it says You. After that, you will be taken to your YouTube channel, and that's where we need to tap at View All next to Playlists, and what that will do, that will show us all our playlists on YouTube, and then you just need to open up a playlist in which you save your videos. Most likely you save your videos to liked videos, like in my case, or maybe you save your videos to watch later. All you have to do is just tap at any of that playlist to see your saved videos, and then you can just tap at any video to play it.
8 minutes, AB.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.